Hey, so if you're working remotely and want a faster way to communicate with your team, yeah, Tella can make a huge difference. In this guide, I'll show you how to set it up for remote work step by step. First, go to Tella and sign up or log into your account. It only takes a minute to get started. Once you're in, organize your workspace by creating folders or projects for different teams or tasks. Now click New Video and record your first update. This could be a progress report, feedback, or instructions. Choose your screen and turn on your mic and camera if needed. Tella records in clips, which is perfect for remote work. You can reduce small sections without restarting everything. For remote teams, keep your videos short and focused so your team can quickly understand your message. Use the editor to trim mistakes, remove pauses, and highlight important parts. You can also add zoom or layouts to make your message clearer. Click Finish and copy the share link. Then send it through Slack, email, or any team tool you use. Instead of long meetings, use televideos for async updates. Yeah, it saves time and keeps everyone on the same page. Create a simple workflow like daily updates, weekly reports, or quick feedback videos. So yeah, that's how to set up Tella for remote work. It's a simple way to communicate better without constant meetings. If this helped, check out more guides like this.